welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to dry your nail polish quickly at home. This is something I would only do when I'm in a hurry, as I think it is best for the nail polish to take its time to dry and set properly. This is the nail polish that I'm currently testing out. It is a pink shade by the brand Blue Heaven. I will be uploading my review of this nail polish in January 2021. Please click the eye icon which is on the top right side corner to view this video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. Tip number 1. Apply a thin coat of nail polish. Yep, that is it. Pretty plain and pretty basic. A thin coat means less polish, which takes less time to dry. Tip number 2. When I'm applying dark nail polish, I prefer to apply a base coat first. I apply a thin coat and wait for it to dry up completely, and only then I apply my dark nail polish. If I don't wait for my first polish, that is my base coat, to dry up completely, then after my dark polish, it takes even more time to dry. Tip number 3. Fill a bowl halfway with ice and cold water and keep it aside. Next, I apply my nail polish and then dunk the fingertip into the water until the polish has set. The setting time varies for nail polish, but generally, it takes less than a minute. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must-watch for beginners. Tip number 4. Use a hair dryer with a cold setting or a fan to speed up the process of drying. Tip number 5. I'm going to use some olive oil for my next nail tip. I use one of my old medicine bottle cap dispensers which I have kept aside for my nail polish work. I fill the cap halfway with olive oil. Next, I apply my nail polish and then dunk my fingertip into the oil and keep it inside for like 5 seconds. Since I anyway have oil on my fingers, I do a quick massage and end it by washing my hand. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. Tip number 6. Apply a quick drying top coat for the final layer. As the name suggests, the polish will be dry in seconds. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!